How to check your PC details and understand it better. Welcome to Blazing Globe Technologies channel. We're thrilled to have you here, diving into the world of tech and gadgets. Today, we'll show you a super simple way to uncover the details of your PC, specifically your laptop or desktop. Let's jump right in. Do you really know your PC? Here's the thing, a lot of people don't know the model of their PC. Sure, you might know its basic specifications based on what you use it for, but do you truly know your PC beyond the surface? We're here to change that. Knowing your PC can help with troubleshooting, upgrades, and so much more. But don't worry, we'll keep it simple and fun. Let's get started. We're focusing on Windows PCs for this video, specifically using Windows 11 as our guide. Follow these quick steps. 1. Go to your Windows search box. Click on the search icon in your taskbar and type System Information. 2. Open the app. You'll see an app named System Information. Double-click to open it. 3. Explore your PC details. A window will pop up with all the juicy details about your computer. Here's what to look for. OS name, this is your operating system. For example, Microsoft Windows 10 Pro or Windows 11 Pro. Windows version, this is especially important for developers and support engineers. It tells you the exact build and version of your OS. System model, this is the 7th item on the list and reveals your PC's model. You'll also find plenty of other useful information here. Feel free to explore. Need help? Drop a comment below. If there's any detail you'd like us to explain further, leave a comment. We're here to break it all down for you and make it easy to understand. Stay connected with Blazing Globe. Need direct assistance? Reach out to us via WhatsApp. Check our bio for details. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest tech tips and tricks. Thank you so much for spending your time with us. Let's keep learning and growing together. See you in the next video. Stay connected to the world with Blazing Globe Technology.